Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The beauty of bedroom is not only just due to its decorating and design. Wardrobe gives an aesthetic beauty to the bedroom. They give more area for storing huge and small items such as clothes, bedsheet, curtains, etc. in an organized manner. Nowadays, there is a lot of material available in the market from which you can choose the closest which are modern in look and have an elegant wardrobe design with ample amount of space. Wardrobes are actually an idea which you can modify in any way. They will make your simple cupboards look more special and elegant. There are several types of wardrobe based on material and number of doors which you can choose for your bedroom. Let us discuss all of them. Sliding wardrobe is the one with two sliding doors on both sides. It has many shelves and drawers for putting hangers, clothes and other accessories such as wallets and belts. It looks very stylish from outside and similarly from inside it has everything placed in an aesthetic manner. Hence you have a lot of space to arrange things properly. If you want one of the best brand for sliding door wardrobe, choose weaving wardrobe. Another wardrobe with the amazing look is the mono wardrobe. It is not always true that a good looking item is available at higher rates only. Mono wardrobe is the true example of that. This is the perfect example of bedroom wardrobe design at very reasonable rates. The 6-door wardrobe has handles which are long and square shape. All the shelves are arranged in a series followed by the pull-out drawers. There is a hanger space available inside. Overall, it is a perfect art of furniture. This is type of wardrobe you can create on top of the wardrobe frame in your bedroom. It consumes less space and gives you more storage for various things such as books, bags and other necessary articles. They can be arranged above the level of bed and hence it becomes easy for you to use it anytime. This is popular modern wardrobe used in residential apartments these days. Doors of this wardrobe have vinyl and they are fitted on tracks. They also have aluminum frames. Vinyl wardrobes are lightweight and durable too. These doors look very pretty in your modern bedroom. This wardrobe has silver frames and its doors run on tracks. You can use various types of color on these doors to give a cool look to the bedroom. There are many other customization options you can choose for multi-panel sliding door wardrobes. Are you thinking to give classy look to your room? Then vintage wardrobe is a perfect choice. They are extremely beautiful in look and give a perfect elegance to the bedroom. This wardrobe comes with a hanging rail and drawers inside. With beauty, it comes with a perfect space. You can enhance the look of your bedroom with this extra large wardrobe. If you are planning to have a cupboard with doors that you can paint in your style, then the laminated door cupboards are perfect choice for you. You can get your wardrobe laminated with play or timer for more. On the door of these cupboards, you can paint the texture and design that you want. The laminated wardrobe changes the layout of the room completely. You don't have to pay much for these as they come at a reasonable rate in the market. The next is a glass wardrobe which you can put in your bedroom. They look classy and give the reflection of full room. Glass door wardrobe are affordable in price and easy to use. One of the biggest advantage of this kind of wardrobe is that it makes the bedroom look spacious. This is most preferred wardrobe in modern and traditional home can be made from many types of material. There are various types of handles which on this wardrobe. It usually comes with wardrobe furniture such as safety lockers and drawers. A metallic touch at the door of wardrobe gives a beautiful look to the bedroom. You can choose any color for the metal door wardrobe which suit the room, curtain and bed sheets. They are also simple to build them on tracks. It also creates ample storage space. This is an antique wardrobe for the bedroom. It covers all the contents of wardrobe and gives a frosted gloss effect in the room. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help then comment down below. Thank you.